If I wanted to quit my job in 2026 and go all in on Etsy, I would start a laser shop, and I would do this with XTool's P3. Out of all the different types of Etsy shops you could start, this is the one that I think would really print money for you. Now, I've had several different types of lasers in the past. Let me tell you, the XTool P3 is the perfect laser to start with. I'm going to be giving you 100 products that you could be launching with this tool so you can literally print money in your Etsy shop. With a laser business, you can cut, you can engrave, and you can personalize hundreds of high-ticket products all from your home studio or your garage without ever touching a saw or a paintbrush. So first, let's talk about why the XTool P3 is the only laser that you would need to run a multi-six-figure Etsy business. First of all, this thing is a beast. So this is an 80-watt CO2 laser, which means it can cut through up to 20 millimeters of wood or 18 millimeters of black acrylic in a single pass. So this is not a hobby grade laser. It has a lot of power. And then the speed goes up to 600 millimeters per second, which is really fast. It means your jobs get done quickly and you can do this at scale with high volume. And one of my favorite things, it has autofocus. The built-in smart camera, it shows a real-time preview of what you're making. In the past, we never had that. And aligning our laser took hours. So if you are intimidated by equipment and you're not very tech savvy, this is perfect for you. I'm addicted to Awala water bottles that are engraved, but I'm thinking I want to start cranking these out for the soccer team, for the teachers. So if you want to engrave tumblers or mugs or bottles, add the rotary tool. And if you want to do jewelry or metal, you can add the infrared module. This machine basically grows with your shop and expands with your product mix. It's kind of like having multiple different lasers in one. It's also on this really cute stand with casters so you can roll it around. And the XTool Studio website is so easy to create designs. Let me show you exactly what you can create with this beautiful beast. Remember, these products work because they are custom, they are giftable, they are personalized. So the first category is home decor, custom family name signs, mandala wall panels, geometric layered art, wood lampshade cutouts, acrylic neon quote signs, house number plaques. I love the utility on that one. Dog silhouette name art. Remember, dogs are children too. Pet memorial signs, rustic cabin decor, 3D layered US maps for gifts and occasions. We're talking about engraved recipe boards, custom wedding signs, birth announcement plaques, anniversary keepsakes, sound wave wall art, custom song lyric boards, photo etched wood tiles, monogrammed coasters, personalized key racks or key holders, and graduation quote plaques or frames. For the kitchen and entertaining, cheese board gift sets, personalized utensil holders, or even personalized wooden spoons or knife blocks or knife sets, wine caddy trays, coffee bar signs, tea box labels, wooden trivets, glass etched sets, cocktail recipe plaques, engraved barbecue tools, great for Father's Day, custom spice rack labels, and then in jewelry and accessories, how about wood and acrylic earrings, leather cuffs with names, maybe monograms or dates on them, inspirational quote pendants, pet ID tags, custom cufflinks, wooden watches, personalized rings, nameplate necklaces, engraved wallet cards, hair clips with initials on them, custom pet door signs, or birthday bandanas. Now let's wrap up with why the XTool P3 is perfect for Etsy sellers. First, the ROI is crazy. So there's two ways you invest in your business. It's your time or it's your money. With the XTool, yes, it's a financial investment, but I have worked with over 5,700 Etsy sellers. And you guys, the students of mine who have lasers, always grow the fastest. And out of our elite inner circle members, the ones with lasers make the most money. And when you think about all the things you could invest in, there is really nothing right now that gives you the same type of ROI. Second, this machine makes your business scalable. And even if you're just starting out, if you're serious and committed to your business, you might as well start with the right tools. So whether you are fulfilling 3 orders a day or 30 orders a day, the XTool P3 can handle it. You can batch items, you can engrave multiples at a time, and you can hit consistent quality in your engraving and your cutting without burning out yourself or the machine. And then third, this is kind of a one and done investment. You could definitely buy cheap lasers. There's 2 $200, $300, even refurbished diode lasers, but you would probably outgrow those machines. When buying the P3 is the business, right? It is the tool. It's like the team member. It's definitely worth the investment because your capabilities are going to be so much more when you start with the P3. So if you're serious about building a real high margin Etsy business in this next year, the XTool P3, I would say it's kind of like hiring a super valuable employee from day one. You're just going to grow so much faster when you have that level of expertise and quality on your team. So I would love to hear from you in the comments if you would be interested in a laser business or if you already have one. And if you want to learn more about the exact laser that I'm talking about today, I will link it below so you can see it, see all the reviews, see all the capabilities. And I want to say, I have an 8-year-old son who grew up with me running my Etsy shop. He was in my little ergo carrier. He is now 8 years old and he is interested in possibly starting his own Etsy shop. He loves the idea of selling things. So I am thinking about doing a little project with him and letting him open an Etsy shop with this laser. What do you guys think? Should we do it? I think you would love it, but it is a commitment. So if you want to see more videos on how you can really maximize a laser business on Etsy, and if you want to learn more about the strategy for putting together a shop that actually gets traffic and sales, I would love to invite you to my next free training. We will put the QR code on the screen and it's a free masterclass. We give you resources and we do Q&A and I'd love to have you there. So go check it out and I'll see you over there at my next class.